Here's another part of the layout that I never showed before. Some cars lying here. This is kind of a yard. It's not quite finished yet, but what I want to show is the waterfront part, which is in development. Here you got car floats, the kind of thing that you would see maybe at one time maybe in Montreal, but more in a city like Windsor or a place where they would have a need for ferry service kind of thing. Here you have these cranes and waterfront type scenery. Nice kind of a barge. Some of these buildings were reminiscent of old Montreal if you go near the waterfront. And this is going to look really cool. Here you got this really neat swing bridge that will eventually be kind of like the Lachine Canal. I think that's where they took their inspiration from, actually. Here the industrial buildings kind of remind me of the area around St. Ambroise Street, and I think that's what they were kind of going for here. Really well done. Here you have this kind of plastics plant or chemical plant. Much detail, a lot of detail in this. Here's another example of some scratch building, basically some kit bashing. Really like that chassis system hopper car. Really cool. Industrial area, very reminiscent of something you would see in East End Montreal. Really well done. This was a Walters kit again. Looks like what they've done is they've, kit bashed it in a way that suits their layout, which I really like. Steel pipes, really cool. And this will be a working crossing. Here we have the passenger train coming across this new industrial area.
C'est assez spécial parce que j'avais pensé y aller, je vais comme ça, mais là, ça ne fera pas pour aller ici. C'est celle-là, je suis en train de t'enlèves celle-là, tu viens chercher là.
Really like this scratch built warehouse. It's huge. Looks like they decided to hold the train behind this warehouse. So I'll end it here.